matter what I do, or what I choose, I'm what's wrong. There's nothing I can do about it. If I'm not hurting myself, I am hurting everyone around me. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm broken.
Sarah, how can this be God's plan for me? I don't understand. I was afraid because I lied again, and because I didn't come to you again, and because I messed up again. I thought that maybe that would mean that you wouldn't want me anymore. Like you would just finally give up on me. Oh, Prim is gone! Prim is gone!
Night. Were you raped?
We are the strongest creatures in the world, and yet we are damaged beyond repair. We live without hope, but we will never die. We are the definition of curse.
Think I had a choice?
She thought I was dead. I was trying to tell her I was alive. I was screaming. God, can't you see me? Can't you see me breathing? Look at me.
It's gonna be okay.
What? It's gonna be okay?
I don't know what to say.
Say it's our fault! Say we failed him! You and me! You knew we had problems. He was crying. He was upset. Why didn't you do something? You should have done something! You did nothing!
My mom's dead, Alina. It hurts so bad. I can't breathe. I can't do work. I can't stay.
Do what you can, Scott. I know you wouldn't have done it. Probably just figured something out, right? That's right. Yeah, because you're Scott McCall, you're the true alpha. Guess what? All of us can't be true alphas. Some of us have to make mistakes. Some of us have to get our heads a little bloody sometimes. Some of us are human. You have to kill him.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not gonna leave you.
If you tried to poison her, I need to know.
You're the only murderer here.